Job, you fucking slobs, all he replied. God forbid you had to walk a mile in his shoes. Then he really might know what
oh shit! Fuck! Oh my god! Holy shit! And he's back on the road. Oh my god! Doing, man? What are you thinking? Unbelievable!
There's two more things we can talk about. One is how many giant undiscovered oil fields do you think?
To go look for oil, then that's what they find from all, so they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
Fuck.
There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but from all, so they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
Fuck.
There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but
but most of these are pretty low. There's a couple that have like 1100, okay? But for the most part, we're looking at like 21 reviews at 50 plus bought, 8 reviews, 50 plus bought in the last month. I actually love this, like how many people are buying.
Wow.
Wow. Jesus Christ. What the